A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 6 of chapter 1 sets. So class, in previous lecture 5 I have discussed all concepts related to sets and I have completed operation on sets. So now today in lecture 6 I will discuss NCERT exercise 1.1. So let us start with the question 1.1. Question number 1. So question number 1 is, which of the following are sets? Means in this question the given statement, which of the following are the collection of sets? Which of the following are collection of sets? So now first statement is the collection of all integer. First statement is the collection of all integer. All integers, you know the collection of all integer that is denoted by z, and z is equal to minus infinity from minus 4, minus infinity to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, plus 2, up to plus 3, and so on, infinity, plus infinity. So these are the sets. Are sets, or we can say are well defined set. Now come to the second statement, the collection of all rivers on the earth. The collection of all the rivers on the earth. So this is finite and this can be count and this can be defined. So example 2 or statement 2 is the collection of all rivers on earth, or we can say collection of all rivers on the earth are sets. Similarly, third statement is the collection of all healthy persons. The collection of all healthy persons we cannot define perfectly, so it is not a set. And D is all richest person of Punjab. All richest person of Punjab. So this cannot be defined. These statements cannot be defined, so it is also not a set. And E is all the teachers of our schools. Third statement or fifth statement, fifth means E. This is A, and this is the collection of all rivers, that is B. And C, D are not defined because collection of all healthy persons not defined. Collection of all rich persons of Punjab, it is also not defined. And E part is collection of the collection of or all teachers of our school. We can say all the teachers of our school. All the teachers of our school. We can make a list. So this is a set. Are sets. So question number 1 is completed. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, write the following in tabular form. Tabular form. Now first statement is given x such that x is equal to 2l plus 1. First statement or A is given x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1, small n belongs to natural, closed. Now in tabular form, what we can write? Tabular form we can write tabular form. Tabular form is also known as a roster form. So this can be write in roster format. When you will consider n is equal to 1, then what you will get? You will get the result n is equal to 1, then you will get 3. N is equal to 2, for n is equal to 2 you will get 5. So n is equal to 3, you will get 7. So tabular form or roster form, result will be, for n is equal to 1, because n belongs to natural number, so n is equal to 1 you will get 3, n is equal to 2 you will get 5, n is equal to 3 you will get 7, n is equal to 4 you will get 9, and so on. This is a tabular form or roster form. Now see, second example. Suppose x such that x is equal to prime number and x is less than equal to 7. X is less than equal to 7, comma x belongs to natural number. So x is less than 7, x belongs to natural number, and x is prime. So what will be the result? Not even prime. 2 is prime, less than 7. 3 is also prime. 5 is also prime. 7 is also prime because x is less than equal to 7. So tabular form will be 2, 3, 5 and 7. This is tabular form. Now see, you can write tabular form. Tabular form. C part. Suppose x such that x is belongs to integer, x belongs to integer, and 3x minus 2 is equal to 3. 3x minus 2 is equal to 3. This is the condition. Or we have to put x belongs to integer. So when you will put x belongs to integer and you will get 3, then what you will get the result? Suppose you are solving it and 3x, you will get a 3x result will be equal to 5, and you have to put x is equal to integer. X is any integer, then result should be that 5. So there is no integer, so you can put here value of x and you will get result 5. So there is no integer. So tabular form, means roster form, and in roster form you will get empty, there is no elements, or you can write 5 blank curly brackets, or you can use 5. 5 means no elements. No elements. Now question number 2 is completed. Now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is let capital A be any non-empty set such that capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert appropriate symbol belongs or doesn't belongs to in the blank space. And the first part is given 5 space A. From this non-empty set, it is clear that 5 belongs to A. The element 5 lying in set A. So this can be written as 5 belongs to A. Now second part is 8 space A. 8 is not the element of A, set A. So we can say 8 doesn't belongs to A. 8 doesn't belongs to A. Now third part is 0. 0 space A. 0 is also not the element of A. So you can say 0 doesn't belongs to A. Similarly, fourth part is 4 space A. We can say 4 belongs to A. Now 10 or 2. Fifth is 2 space A, and sixth is 10 space A. From these non-empty sets, it is clear 2 is belonging to A, so 2 belongs to A, and 10 doesn't belongs to A, so 10 doesn't belongs to A. Now it is clear, completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is write the following in set builder form. Following in set builder form. And first question is, first part is 3, 6, 9, 12 in curly bracket. So we have to write in set builder form 3, 6, 9, 12. See what we can write and how we can make the formula. This number is multiple of 3, you know. So in special form or by using special character, what you can write? We can write or a set builder form x such that x is equal to 3n. Suppose we have make the formula x is equal to 3n. n belongs to natural. So you will put 1, 2, 3, 4. You will get the result 3, 6, 9, 12. And n should be greater equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. This is the special form. Now second part 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Second part is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now set builder form. Set builder form will be, you will see from every elements 2, 4, 8 means 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Then what you can write? X such that x is equal to 2 to the power n. And n belongs to natural number. And n lies from 1 to less than equal to 5. This is the special form. So this is set builder form. Now come to the third example. Third example is suppose we are taking 14900. 1, 4, 9, 100. 14900. So set builder form. Set builder form, what you will get the result? This is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, and this is dash dash. Suppose this is given dash dash. So up to 100. So what you can write? See, this one we can write x such that x is equal to n square. When you will put 1, you will get 1. Put 2, you will get 4. So n should be in natural number and the value of n lies from 1 to 10. So this is the special form. So this is the set builder form. Now set builder form example is completed. Now come to the next example or question. Question number 5 is list all the elements of the following set. Of the following sets, and the given set is, suppose first part is given a is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. X is an odd natural number. So what you can write means this is given in special format. So this is set builder format, and I am going to write in tabular form. So x is an odd natural number. So 1, 3, odd natural number. 1, 3. Now 5. Now 7, and so on. So second part is x such that x is an integer. This is given c is equal to x such that x is an integer. X is an integer and x square is less than equal to 4. This is given x square is less than equal to 4. So what you can write? X square is less than equal to 4. What you can write? It is clear that values of x lies from -2 to +2. When you will solve it, you will get the result x square minus 4 or x minus 2, x plus 2 means x minus 2 and x plus 2 will less than equal to 0. This implies when you will draw the number line and you will get this result. So overlapping point is here. So -2 to 2, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So this is the solution. Now come to the next point or next part. The next part is E is equal to set a month of a year not having 31 days. Means third is capital E with a set x such that x is the month of year. Month of year not having 31 days. not having 31 days. See, what will be the result? Means February, you know, February month, in February month 28 or 29 days, so Feb is here, and next June, April is also here, and next June, and next September, there are 5 months having not 31 days. February, April, June, September, November. Now this question is completed. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is match the following, and we are going to write answer of these elements of left part is means set A is given. First part is, this is given set 1 2 3 4. So what we can say about this? 1 2 3 6, 1 2 3 and 6. What we can make a decision for this set? What we can say about this set? See, this is the natural number. You know, 1 2 3 6, this is the natural number and divisor of 6. And first option is given x such that x is the prime number, divisor of 6. It cannot be. And x is an odd natural number. This is not an odd, 6 is not odd. So you will take third, x such that x is a natural number, x is natural number and divisor of 6. So we can write x such that x is natural number divisor of 6. And now second point is 2 3. In left hand side this is given set 2 3. Then what you can say about this? 2 3, 2 is prime, you know, 3 is also prime, and this is the divisor of 6. And first option is here, x such that x is a prime number, divisor of 6. X such that x is a prime number, divisor of 6. Now come to the third point. Third point in left hand side, this is given set, alphabet is given MATHICS, MATHICS, and you know, this is the alphabets of mathematics. So fourth point is D is here, x such that x is the letter of word mathematics. You can make the statement x such that x is letters of word mathematics. X is the letter of word mathematics. Now fourth point is 1 3 5 7 9. In curly bracket 1 3 5 7 9. You know, this is the prime number, but 9 is not a prime. So see the option, x such that x is a natural number less than 10. We can say this is a natural number and less than 10. So its answer will be, I am writing here, x such that x is natural number less than 10. So according to option, we have to set the answer. So this will be the answer. Now see, now question number 6 is completed. Now come to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is list all the elements of sets, and the set A is given x such that x square is less than equal to 10. Suppose first part, or sets A, set A is given x such that x square is less than equal to 10 and x belongs to integer. This is the information given about x. X belongs to integer. So how many numbers, how many integers we can set here? X such that x belongs to integer and less than equal to 10. See, so we have to list or tabular format. You can set 0. You can take n is equal to 0. This will be less than 10. N is equal to plus 1 also, and a minus 1 also. Plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 also, and also plus minus 3. So there are 7 values. Now second part, this is the first part. Now second part is x such that, or B, this is given set B. What is given about B? B is x such that x belongs to I means integer, and x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. This is the information about integer. So minus 1 by 2 greater result, what can you take value? So B set will be, you can take 0 also. 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, but it lies in integer. So I for integer, it is not given. This is positive or negative. So you will take 0. And 1 is here. 2 will be also, because 2 fours are. So 2 lies inside the region, inside the interval 1, 2, 3, and 4 also you can take, because this is 4.5. So answer will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the list. Now come to the third point, or third part. The third part is, suppose C set is given, and this is the x such that x is an integer. Suppose x is less than equal to, or x square is less than equal to 4, or x is an integers. So what will be its result? Its result will be x square or is less than 2. So there will be 5 possible value. 0 you can take, same question is here, plus minus 1 you can take, and plus minus 2. So there are 5 values, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. 5 values. Now come to the next point. X such that x is the letter of word, loyal. See, D part or fourth part, set D is equal to x such that x is letter of word loyal. X such that x is the letter of word loyal. Now in loyal, L are 2 times. So how you can make its list? Its list will be, letter cannot be repeat, you know, in the given set. So L O Y A, this will be the set, L O Y A. Now this is completed. See, this exercise is completed. In the next lecture 7, I will discuss exercise 1.2.